Hey guys, Ollie from Local Knowledge here. Today I'm going to show you a knot that's used to connect a fluorocarbon leader to monofilament. You know, some guys still like fishing mono. We personally prefer a short top shot of fluoro tied directly to the braid, but mono still works. There's a lot of it out there. This knot is called the Seaguar Knot, and it's designed for one thing, and that is to connect monofilament to fluorocarbon. So the way you tie this knot is crazy simple. You're going to make a loop with your leader, and you're going to make a loop with your main line. You take the two loops, you put them together. Kind of want to make them about the same size, give or take. Okay, then you're going to put your index finger in these two loops. You're going to make 3 twists. Got it? Now you're going to take the tagline from the mono and your leader section, and you're just going to grab them and pull them through the loop you just created. Once you have them through, you're just going to pull evenly, and you're trying to maintain about the same size tag end on both lines, and then just pull the main lines tight. Snug up your tag ends, pull this sucker really tight, trim it up. And in about 10 seconds, you've connected fluorocarbon leader material to your monofilament that's already on the reel. Really quick, simple knot, super easy, super strong. There's not a lot to it, and it's just a good one to have in your toolbox. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button below. Also, leave us a comment. Let us know what else you'd like to see. We're still learning just like you. We love to hear your feedback. If there's a better way to do this, let us know. Thanks so much for watching.